Hello family, welcome to my channel, my view little things. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day Amma. Happy Mother's Day Attayya garu. Happy Mother's Day Akka, my sister Kirti. And Happy Mother's Day Vadina, my sister-in-law Sapna. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, whether you are past, present, or future soon born to be. You are doing a great job. I was the most pathetic, mischievous girl out there, when in my childhood. And I wonder how my mom managed me, because now I can't manage my kid Dishant even if he's not so mischievous. All that I am or ever hope to be, I owe it to you, Amma. Today's recipe is very simple recipe with lots and lots of fruits involved in it. So it's very easy. Anyone can make it. Like children, you can also make it for your mother and surprise them and wish them happy Mother's Day. So let's begin. So today's recipe is rainbow popsicle.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers over there, and this is icing for my beautiful mother.
Yay!
Hey Amma, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Yummy rainbow ice cream. Yummy.
Wow.
Yummy. Rainbow ice cream. Yay!
Ice cream.
Sure, అది చూడండి రెడ్ కలర్ పైన ఉన్నది.
Watermelon, mango, and then grape.
Yay! Rainbow ice cream. Yummy, tasty.
It seriously tastes well.
Bye. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Yummy. Yummy.